Hi viewers, today I am here to we have some problem. This one is machines, and this Samsung machine wheel loader, and this machine yesterday uh, we have a complaints. We got a complaint about it. There's a machine. This wheel loader is not starting. So one of my technicians came here and he check its solenoids. So today me and my team is here to completely check it. So yesterday what he diagnosed, what is this one is a fuel shutoff solenoids, and you can see fuel shutoff solenoids wire is burnt. So we have today I come up with this one and other solenoids, fuel shutoff solenoids. So before install back, I want to check why this wire is burned. So let's check. You can see these wires. Clearly these wires are burnt, and these wires are here, these solenoids. So why these wires burnt? Because this solenoids is called fuel shutoff solenoids. Okay, this solenoids have three wires. One wires is this wire is a neutral wires. Is also negative. This wire is a holding coil, and this one is a pull push, and this one this one push and pull wire. So when we switch on, this open the fuel, and otherwise when we start it holding this here. So today I check it where is by chance this one is happen, this one, or maybe some other problems. So we have to check. We put this is a multimeter. We check what's the problem on these wires. I put it here on the beep. This one put on beep sides, and now I check the wires. Where is the problem? This one is a earthing wire. We put it black here, and this one is our power cable. You can see. Okay, this one, and now here this is a third cable. So now this means you can see this power earthing cable is shortage to this white cable, white wires. Okay, this problem was there. This wire have a problem. This wire is earthing somewhere else. So problem in this wire. Therefore, our wires are burnt. Our solenoid is finished due to this shortage. This wire is a shortage somewhere else. So first of all, we find where it is a shortage.
No, they used to close 5 o'clock.
Now fixing this. So viewers, we have done our job. We replaced the fuel shutoff solenoids. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels and share this video to your friends. Thank you.